Hello students, welcome to S&M Coaching Center. So for today, under polynomials, we will be doing this sum. What is it? If one zero of this polynomial is 2 plus root 3, we have to find the other one. When that is the case, what we have to do is write the polynomial. The polynomial is p of x can be written as x square minus 4x plus 1. And what is given? Alpha is given. Alpha is 2 plus root 3. What is that we have to find out? We have to find out the other one, which is beta. Now we know the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. What is that? Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equals to c by a. So, whenever you come across such questions, using appropriate relation, either this or this, find the other value of the zero. Now, since alpha value is given and they are asking for beta, I will use the first relation. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. What does it imply? Alpha is 2 plus root 3 plus beta is equals to minus, what is b? B is the coefficient of x term. B is minus 4. So minus of minus 4 divided with a is the coefficient of x square, which is 1, which implies 2 plus root 3 plus beta is equals to 4. Now get all the constants to the other side. What is our aim? To find the other 0, which is beta. So keep beta here. Transpose the other terms to the right hand side. So this will be 4 plus 2. When it moves, it becomes minus 2 plus root 3 when it becomes minus root 3. So this will be beta is equals to 2 minus root 3. Therefore, the other 0 is beta equals to 2 minus root 3. And second question is, they have given us a polynomial 2x square plus x plus k, and they are saying 3 is one of its zeros and we have to find the value of k. No, they are not asking us to find the other 0, they are asking us to find the value of k when 3 is one of its 0. So how do you do that? Since they are not asking us to find the value of other 0, we don't have to use the relation. Just take it like this. Given p of x is equals to 2x square plus x plus k, right? Now, what is that? He's saying 3 is a 0. When you say 3 is a 0, which means wherever you have the value of x, substitute 3 in that. And then equate this whole expression to 0. Then 2 into 3 square is 9 plus 3 plus k is equals to 0, which will be 18 plus 3 plus k is equals to 0. That implies 18 plus 3 is 21 plus k is equals to 0. So what does it mean? It means the k value is minus 21. So this is the next sum, students. What is it? If the zeros of x square plus px plus q are double to the values of zeros of 2x square minus 5x minus 3, we have to find the values of p and q. So basically there are two polynomials, and using the condition that the zeros of one polynomial are double the zeros of the other, we have to find the p and q. Since this is a complete proper polynomial, what we will do? We will first find the zeros of the second polynomial. So, p of x is equals to 2x square minus 5x minus 3. What is that we have to do? Find the zeros of it. How do we do? Multiply the first and the last term. So, we got 6x square minus 6x square. Write the factors of 6. Do not worry about the signs or the x square. Just worry about the number. Number is 6. So, write the factors for 6. Factors for 6 are 1 and 6, 2 and 3. Now, out of these two sets of factors, which is the appropriate one? What is the condition? When we multiply, automatically we will get this. So that is not a problem. Check the second condition, which says that when we add or subtract, we should get the middle term. So add these terms. 1 plus 6 will be 7. add these two, subtract these two factors. 1, 6 minus 1 will be 5. Yes, when we subtract this, we will get it. So, on doing the subtraction, what is that we have to see? The factors are now x and 6x. The factors are now 1x, which is nothing but x, 6x, which is 6, which is nothing but 6x. Now we have to worry about the signs. What are we doing? We are subtracting to get the middle term. And such is the case, the sign of the middle term will go to the biggest factor and the opposite sign will go to the small factor. So this can be written as 2x square. Instead of the middle term minus 5x, replace it with the factors. So I will write it as minus 6x plus x minus 3. Now take common from the first two and the last two factors. 2x is common from the first two, so I am left with x minus 3. And what is common from the last two? Nothing is common. When you say nothing is common, take one as common factor. So it will be x minus 3. See, I am left with the same factor on in both the terms. So take x minus 3 as common factor, then make 2x plus 1 as the other factor, 2x plus 1. Now, the moment you get the factors, equate it to 0 and find the value of x. So, x minus 3 is equals to 0 and 2x plus 1 is equals to 0, which implies x is equals to 3 and 2x is equals to minus 1, which implies x is equals to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the zeros are 3 and beta is equals to minus 1 by 2. Is the zeros of this are double the zeros of the second polynomial. Now, f of x is equals to x square plus p of x plus q. Let alpha dash and beta dash be the zeros. Therefore, what is the condition? The zeros are double the zeros of this. Therefore, alpha dash is double the is 2 times alpha and beta dash is 2 times beta, which implies alpha dash is equals to, what is alpha dash? 2 times 3. 2 multiplied with 3. So alpha dash is nothing but 6 and beta dash is 2 times minus 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So beta dash is minus 1. So the zeros of this equation are 6 and minus 1. Now what is that they are saying? We have to find the values of P and Q. How do we find it? We know that the sum of the zeros, which is alpha dash plus beta dash, should be equal to minus b by a. So 6 plus of minus 1 is equals to, what is minus b? Minus b is minus q. A is 1. So 6 minus 1 is equals to minus q. So 5 is equals to minus q. That implies q is equals to minus 5. Now we have to find the value of beta dash. Sorry, we already found. No, we just have to find the value of P. So to get the, sorry children, in place of B I have a P here. So we have basically found the value of P, not Q. Make the correction. Now we have to find the value of Q. Therefore, we know the relation. Alpha dash product of the zeros is equals to C by A. Alpha dash is 6, beta dash is minus 1 is equals to C is Q by 1. So minus 6 is equals to Q. Put it in box. We are done with the